unwind. If you're like me, you probably get home from work and you maybe make dinner, change into something more comfy, and you're ready to kind of relax and wind down for the evening. Well, one of my favorite ways to do that is with a great cocktail and some good old-fashioned creativity. Today, I'm reaching for a Wood & Wick candle making kit, and this candle making kit was actually inspired by the Pinnacle Light Ripe collection. I've chosen a matte peach aura and a matte sage aura, and fruity fragrances inspired by the pinnacle flavors of Apricot, Honeysuckle, and Guava lime for this amazing stress-busting activity. Let's get started. The only thing you'll need for this activity is a microwave and a pot holder that you can find in your very own kitchen. To get started, you'll take your vessel. I'm going to use the matte sage for this activity, and you're going to take your first fragrance. And actually, the fragrance I'm going to use for this particular candle is Lime Sangria and Guava Blossom, inspired by Guava Lime. And we will first, we're gonna put a sticker on the bottom of our vessel. This is a safety label. The safety label just gives some tips and safety burning instructions to help you make the most out of your candle and helps with candle safety. Once you have your sticker on the bottom of your vessel, then you are going to set up your Wood & Wick. So you're going to take your Wood & Wick out of the pouch, and your wick clip and wick sticker, they're kind of small. You have a wick clip and a wick sticker, and you're going to take your wick clip and you are going to take your Wood & Wick, and you are going to slowly rock it back and forth. Oops, sometimes they fall. Back and forth until you have it secure in the center of your clip, just like this. And then you're going to take your wick sticker, peel off one of the sticky sides, stick it to the bottom, and then you're going to remove the bottom part of the sticker there, and then you're going to take your wick and you are going to adhere it to the center of your vessel. Just like that. Once you have your wick set up, it's time to microwave your wax. You're going to take a jar of your nature wax, comes in flakes in this beautiful jar, and you're going to remove the lid. And then what you're going to do is microwave this for 3 minutes. So be right back while I microwave this. So once your wax is fully melted, it's time to add your fragrance and then pour your candle. We have a handy dandy bamboo spoon that you'll use for stirring, and your fragrance is pre-measured, so you're just going to take your Lime Sangria and Guava Blossom and pour it into your container here. Oh, it smells so good, so limey and guava-y. Once you have that in there, then you're going to stir for 2 minutes. It's a really meditative activity. It's very relaxing. So once your fragrance has been fully combined for 2 minutes, you're ready to pour your candle. You're going to pick up your wax, and then you're going to gently pour it into your vessel, minding the wick, and you're going to leave approximately a ½ inch at the top so that the wick is not covered with wax. The wicks are pre-cut to a safety height inside the vessel, so you don't need to worry about trimming, and you'll have a completely finished candle once your candle sets. Once you finish pouring your candle, congratulations, you're officially a candle maker. You want to make sure to let your candle set for at least 72 hours prior to burning, and once your candle is ready to burn, grab a good book and a great cocktail and continue to unwind with your amazing creation. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe to the Wood & Wick Co. YouTube channel and stay in the know on all the latest makers, tips, and tricks. Happy making!